Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your ERA settings. To access the settings, from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Scroll down and click on the ERA settings panel to expand it. First is the Short Payment Action drop-down. This action will apply after the medical aid has done a short payment on a claim. From the drop-down, you can select one of three options. The Do Nothing option will leave the amount under the medical aid liable column in the outstanding section in a patient's account. The Shift to Patient or Discount/Write-Off option will move the short paid amount to the patient liable column and/or set the amount as a discount/write-off in the outstanding section in a patient's account. The Shift to Patient Only option will move the short paid amount to the patient liable column in the outstanding section in a patient's account. Next is the Cut-Off Amount field. This option will allow you to choose an amount, for example R5, and the system will write off all the amounts below the chosen amount to the short payment action that you've selected. The Bad Debt Account drop-down is where you need to choose the correct expenditure ledger account for the bad debt amounts. This is the expenditure ledger account in which the bad debt journals will post to. Take note that your entity's expenditure ledger accounts will differ and can be customized to your specific needs. Lastly, we have the Settlement Discount Account drop-down. Choose the correct expenditure ledger account for the settlement discount amounts from the drop-down list. This is the expenditure ledger account in which the settlement discount journals will post to, and the cut-off amount will apply here. Take note that your entity's expenditure ledger accounts will differ and can be customized to your specific needs. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.